Hey everyone, I'll be showing you 5 AI company stocks to buy with under $100. In the dynamic stock market of 2024, investors are presented with a compelling opportunity to explore and potentially benefit from the growth of AI-focused companies. These companies, distinguished by their promising prospects, offer a unique chance for individuals to participate in the unfolding AI revolution. In this article, we delve into the top 5 AI companies whose stocks are worth considering for investment with a budget of $100. From established industry leaders to nimble startups, this curated selection reflects a spectrum of risk and reward, providing investors with a diversified portfolio within the burgeoning AI sector. The allure of artificial intelligence lies not just in its potential for financial returns, but also in its capacity to revolutionize diverse industries. As AI continues to permeate sectors such as healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and entertainment, investors stand at the forefront of a transformative era. By aligning investment strategies with the overarching narrative of AI proliferation, individuals can position themselves to ride the wave of innovation and capitalize on the exponential growth within this dynamic and evolving market. PROS.ai stands out as a highly recommended entity in the realm of cutting-edge business solutions, offering an expansive array of services that encompass price optimization, sales effectiveness, revenue management, software as a service or SaaS software, and specialized software tailored for the intricate needs of travel management within the airline industry. The cornerstone of PROS.ai's offerings lies in its utilization of an advanced artificial intelligence system, pushing the boundaries of machine learning and cognitive computing to establish industry-leading standards. This strategic emphasis on AI not only places PROS.ai at the forefront of innovation, but also positions it as a front-runner in harnessing the transformative potential of AI across diverse business verticals. Within the dynamic landscape of price optimization, PROS.ai distinguishes itself by deploying state-of-the-art AI algorithms that intricately scrutinize extensive datasets, market trends, and consumer behaviors. This dynamic analysis empowers businesses to flexibly adapt their pricing strategies, ensuring responsiveness to the ever-evolving intricacies of the market. PROS.ai's unwavering commitment to advancing AI in the domain of price optimization not only differentiates it as an industry vanguard but also underscores its dedication to providing businesses across a spectrum of sectors with a competitive edge through astute and data-driven pricing solutions. The strategic focus on sales effectiveness further reinforces PROS.ai's stature as an invaluable partner for businesses navigating the complexities of the contemporary marketplace. Through seamless integration of AI into sales processes, the company provides organizations with actionable insights, fostering elevated customer interactions and ultimately propelling revenue growth. This harmonious fusion of technology and business acumen exemplifies PROS.ai's acute understanding of the evolving dynamics that govern success in the digital age. Expanding its purview to address the distinctive challenges faced by the airline industry, PROS.ai extends its expertise through specialized software designed for travel management. This encompasses solutions crafted to optimize routes, pricing strategies, and overall operational efficiency for airlines. In an industry characterized by variables such as fluctuating fuel costs, demand dynamics, and intense competition, PROS.ai AI-driven tools empower airlines to make informed decisions, contributing significantly to enhanced financial performance and operational excellence. The endorsement of PROS.ai is further substantiated by the resounding consensus rating of strong buy, indicative of the confidence industry experts place in the company's present achievements and future potential. This rating not only acknowledges PROS.ai's role as a pivotal player in the technology landscape, but also signals the anticipation of sustained growth and continued groundbreaking innovation. SoundHound, trailblazer in the realm of voice-enabled technology, has positioned itself as a key player in the development of cutting-edge solutions for the modern voice-centric world. The company is at the forefront of advancing speech recognition, natural language understanding, sound recognition, and search technologies, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to drive innovation. SoundHound's commitment to pioneering conversational technologies has earned it the trust of premier brands globally, solidifying its status as the leading innovator in the field. At the core of SoundHound's offering is its dedication to crafting state-of-the-art AI-powered tools that redefine the possibilities within voice-enabled interfaces. By seamlessly integrating speech recognition and natural language understanding, the company is actively shaping the way individuals interact with technology, ushering in a new era of intuitive and user-friendly experiences. SoundHound's expertise extends to sound recognition and search technologies, further enhancing its position as a comprehensive provider of solutions that cater to the multifaceted needs of the voice-enabled world. As the go-to choice for top brands across the globe, SoundHound has established a reputation for reliability, innovation, and a commitment to delivering solutions that transcends conventional boundaries. The company's technological prowess in conversational technologies not only addresses the current demands of the market, but also anticipates and shapes the trajectory of voice-enabled interactions in the future. This forward-thinking approach has garnered the trust of renowned brands, cementing SoundHound's status as a trusted partner in the ever-evolving landscape of voice technology. The consensus rating of strong buy bestowed upon SoundHound reflects the collective confidence of market experts in the company's present achievements and its future potential. This rating is a resounding endorsement of SoundHound's strategic position as a key player in the voice technology domain. It signifies an acknowledgement of the company's resilience, innovative capacity, and its role in shaping the future of conversational technologies. Palantir, an American publicly traded corporation, specializes in the intricate field of big data analytics, standing as a notable player in this domain. The company is recognized for providing category-leading software that serves as a catalyst for organizations to not only harness but also manage artificial intelligence seamlessly, operating across both public and private networks. At the core of Palantir's offerings lies a commitment to advancing the capabilities of big data analytics, offering organizations the tools they need to navigate and derive meaningful insights from vast and complex datasets. Palantir's software, renowned for its category-leading status, goes beyond traditional analytics by providing a robust platform that enables the creation and governance of artificial intelligence. This comprehensive approach sets Palantir apart, positioning it as a strategic partner for entities seeking to leverage the full potential of AI within the intricacies of both public and private networks. Palantir's software solutions not only facilitate the analysis of extensive datasets, but also empowers organizations to navigate the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. In a world where data is increasingly recognized as a strategic asset, Palantir's role extends beyond analytics to encompass the creation and management of AI. This holistic perspective aligns with the company's commitment to offering organizations a comprehensive toolkit that addresses the entire spectrum of their AI needs. Consensus rating of strong buy associated with Palantir is a testament to the confidence placed by market experts in the company's current standing and future trajectory. This rating reflects not only the recognition of Palantir's prowess in the field of big data analytics, but also an acknowledgement of its potential to further elevate its position as a leader in the realm of artificial intelligence governance. Investors and analysts alike view Palantir as a strategic player with a strong growth outlook, positioning it as a compelling choice in the dynamic landscape of technology investments. But before we move on, if you are excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit that subscribe button on my channel. You will discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving into the complex realm of technology. Tencent Holdings Limited stands as a formidable Chinese multinational conglomerate operating at the intersection of technology and entertainment. It's a prominent holding company. Renowned for its diverse portfolio, Tencent has secured its position as one of the most lucrative multimedia entities globally, boasting substantial revenue figures. The extensive array of services offered by Tencent spans across various domains, including social networks, music platforms, web portals, e-commerce ventures, mobile games, internet services, payment systems, smartphones, and multiplayer online games. At the heart of Tencent's multifaceted operations is a commitment to providing a comprehensive suite of services that cater to the diverse needs of its vast user base. The The company's influence extends across social networking platforms where it facilitates meaningful connections to music streaming services that resonate with a global audience. Furthermore, Tencent's web portals and e-commerce ventures contributes to its expansive ecosystem, allowing users to seamlessly navigate the digital landscape. The mobile gaming sector, marked by its dynamic growth, is another domain where Tencent has asserted its dominance, offering a range of engaging games that captivate audiences worldwide. Beyond entertainment, Tencent's foray into internet services and payment systems showcases its commitment to facilitating convenient and secure online transactions. With a strategic focus on smartphones, Tencent remains at the forefront of technological trends, ensuring its services are accessible to users on the go. The company's involvement in multiplayer online games not only underlines its prowess in the gaming industry, but also highlights its dedication to providing immersive and interactive experiences to a global gaming community. The consensus rating of strong buy associated with Tencent reflects the collective sentiment of market experts, expressing confidence in the company's current standing and future growth prospects. This rating acknowledges Tencent's status as a major player in the technology and entertainment sectors, signaling optimism regarding its potential to maintain and strengthen its position in the market. Twillio, a distinguished American company, occupies a pivotal role in the technological landscape by offering a suite of programmable communication tools specifically designed to enhance customer engagement. Its versatile platform is widely employed for a myriad of communication functions, including making and receiving phone calls, as well as sending and receiving text messages, all made possible through the seamless integration of its robust web service APIs. At the core of Twilio's operation lies a commitment to revolutionizing the way businesses and organizations interact with their customers. By providing programmable communication tools, Twilio empowers entities to create tailor-made communication solutions that align with their unique requirements, whether it is facilitating real-time voice conversations, enabling efficient text-based communication, or integrating a range of other communication functionalities. Twilio's platform has become synonymous with flexibility and innovation in the customer engagement space. The significance of Twilio's contribution extends beyond its role as a mere communication service provider. It acts as a catalyst for businesses looking to establish meaningful and dynamic connections with their audience. The utilization of web service APIs ensures that Twilio's offerings seamlessly integrate into existing systems, providing a frictionless experience for developers and end users alike. In the eyes of market analysts, Twilio garners a consensus rating of moderate buy, a reflection of their collective belief in the company's performance and growth potential. This rating signifies a balanced perspective indicating confidence in Twilio's current standing in the market and a moderate level of optimism regarding its trajectory. It suggests that while there may be areas of improvement or potential challenges, the overall outlook for Twilio is positive. And there you have it, the list of the 5 AI company stocks to buy with under $100. Numerous AI stocks are accessible for investment with just under $100, presenting a diverse range of promising opportunities, even for investors starting with a modest capital base. These companies are notable for their innovative advancements in AI, influencing sectors ranging from healthcare to finance and beyond. Despite the inherent risks associated with any investments, the meticulous selection of AI stocks with a focus on the long term could potentially serve as a strategic maneuver for investors aiming to align their portfolios with the transformative trends shaping the future. Those who make prudent investment decisions may discover the benefits of adopting a forward-thinking investment strategy. What are your thoughts on these companies? Do you share the same sentiments? Feel free to provide your feedback in the comments section. Additionally, ensure you don't overlook valuable tips for crafting exceptional content. Remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So, relish the creative journey, engage in enjoyable experimentation, and stay tuned for more insights, tips, and tricks in the upcoming content.